Hello everyone, I am Varalakshmi Shankar, your parenting coach. In today's video, I am going to talk about a serious issue of digital addiction. So nowadays, we all know that from childhood to adulthood, we are all addicted to the digital platform and games and etc. So mostly the children and teenagers are very much addicted to this digital world. Why? Because they will get more gifts and appreciation and recognition in this real world than in the real world. So they are hurting themselves and they are hurting others and even they are hurting their parents also. So more incidents are happening in our country. The examples are Lucknow, Pune and Delhi incidents are very horrible. So because of this real world recognition and gifts and virtual gifts, they like more and they are addicted again and again and they are doing that games or exposed to their social platform. So first, that's why the Australian government was taken a dare decision and banned that under 16 years of children are not allowed to use any social platform or any games because they are the future leaders of their countries. So this is a good decision from that government. But if as a parent in our country, if we are not aware of this, or if we are not taken any serious action towards this digital addictions of our children, future like de-addiction center, we will see more digital addiction centers too. This digital addiction is happening in front of the parents itself. Sometimes parents only proposing this digital gadgets to their children and gaming stations to their children. So this is affecting their education, career, and most of the children are quitting their work and quitting their studies also. And even in the board exams, they are not ready to face that and they are not ready to write their board exams. They are just quitting because of these addictions. So how to control this addictions? First one is self-control is very much necessary. This self-control first parents has to develop. We have to control ourselves in the digital platform and gaming, and then we will give a logical explanations to our children and get rid from this addiction. So for that you can practice with your children the meditation, breathing exercises, or 1 or 2 days in the week the gadgets free and environment in the house, and make a family meal time and the game play games with your children. And other tips are involve them into the useful engagements. It may be a academic learning or non-academic learning. If your child is interested in sports and games, allow them to play. Physical exercises and activities are more necessary for the children. So parents, be aware of this digital addiction and take action now itself, so that you will control your child's digital addiction. So you will because they are our future leaders, economists and financial leaders and managerial CEOs of most of the country, most of the companies in our countries. So follow these steps, and today onwards you also control your digital exposure and try to make your control your child's screen views. Thank you, and follow my pages and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.